I'm going to show you how you can get verified on Snapchat. If you want to learn more on that, please watch this video till the end. With that being said, let's get right into the video. So to get verified on Snapchat, since Instagram only has a get verified option in the menu, Snapchat does not have that. So if you want to get verified on Snapchat, it's not as easy. What you need to have is obviously a really good number of followings. So if a lot of people are following you, and if they're high number of views on your stories, like over 50,000, 100,000 views per story, then you might have a chance at getting verified on Snapchat. So for that, you need to make your account public, and how you can do that is go to your profile, go to settings here, and then you'll scroll on the privacy control. You can click on view my story to everyone. So this makes that your account, your stories will be public. Not everyone will be able to contact you, but they can view your stories. So if you go, you see these stories, and these are obviously stories from public accounts who want to increase their views on their stories. So this is what they're doing. So you should, once you allow your stories to be public, you can see that as well. And once you do that, what you'll do is you'll click on support. You'll go to your browser and you'll go to support.snapchat.com. So once you go to support.snapchat.com, you have this my account is hacked option. You'll click on that, and then what you'll do is you'll scroll down, and here you'll enter your username, your email address linked with the account, your mobile number. And here what you can type in, what information you should know is. So here you will type out someone is impersonating me on Snapchat, my followers are getting confused, please help me get my account verified. So if you have a substantial amount of following, like, and very high number of views per story, like over 50,000 per story, if you're getting views like that, then Snapchat might reach out back to you and help you get verified. So that's how you do it. This is a very simple process, but it might not work if you have only very less followers, like 100 to 500 views per story. So you need to have a substantial amount of viewing.